years old usually attacks the kidney after a while. Yes, and guess what too? The 27-year-old boy used to drink and smoke. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something, and I want you to keep it under hush hush. I want you to keep it under hush hush. You see the 27-year-old boy? He when I met him when he was much younger, when I met the 27-year-old one boy, I met him very, very young. And then I think he came to my house about 1 week. 1 week.
Auntie Pepper, what?
He came to my house to stay. Not at this house, when I was living somewhere different. And when that young man go in the bathroom, I keep on hearing something spraying. I will keep on hearing something spraying. And I don't have any body spray in there, and I don't have anything in there. Yes, nothing in there, right? And when he went in the bathroom one day, and I heard the thing spraying in there. And when I went into the bathroom, you know what that young man was doing? You know what that young man was doing? The young man was spraying the spray starch. The spray starch in the cover of the starch bottle and was sniffing it. He was spraying the starch in the cover of the bottle and was sniffing the starch. Yes, I caught him in the bathroom doing it. I caught him in the bathroom doing it. Pepper, the old boy, I give you 40 days and 40 nights over there. Yes. So then, all these different things to get high. I don't know if it's to get high or what. When him getting high, someone told me he was getting high off it. He was getting high off the starch. That means, thank you so much, boss lady. And guess what too? Majority of the homosexuals, I'm going to say majority of the homosexuals who are on the streets and the thug tops, the ones who are tops, men, the thug men, most of them takes the white lady. Nigel, welcome. Welcome, Nigel. The thug men, the aggressive men, that's why some of them aggressive, so they will put some of the white lady in them weed. And when they